So we got it. I'm going to get to be the first one out in it. Nobody can get here, so I'm going down to make sure all the horses have hay and water. But look at this. Well, here's the situation. Lots of snow, and it's still snowing. It's so beautiful, but it's such a pain. I got to try to get the wheelbarrow through this. Oh my, the wheelbarrow full of manure. Wish I had a tripod because I think it's going to be comical. Is that Corey? Was he able to get here? Wow. Well, that is quite a crew right there. Oh my goodness. No way, you can't be jumping when I'm videotaping. I'm not close enough. Did he find a bluey up here? Did he find a bluey? Oh my goodness, you're freaking me out. Wow. It's a,
Hello.
And Corey's here
Hello, down
helping
here.
Tim plow and get the, are you gonna, oh, you're gonna, go ahead.
There is snow. It's snowing all in Ohio.
Just everywhere, huh?
Yeah. Even
Yeah.
wearing this pink dress. Baby Logan's here.
Baby Logan's here so that G and Corey can get some work done, huh?
Yeah, from the snow.
Yep.
Ow!
Get us
She got
dug
my
out.
fingers.
I'm so sorry.
Happy.
You have what, honey?
Happy.
A piece of what?
Peach.
A peach? Do we have peach? I don't think we have any peaches, honey. Talk about an immersive music experience. She's been in school all day. She's tired. And then this girl thinks it's time to go feed horses. She's ready to go. She's ready to go for a walk down to the barn. And then there's Ghost living his best life. Hello, sir. Oh, and now he thinks he's going to come in the house. Yeah. No, that's not happening.
I did all of this.
You did all of that? And that's a necklace for Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need help tying it off and putting it on her?
Yes.
Okay.
Grammy put in a needle in Grammy's. Now it's easier for me to put these on.
Do you like it with the little wire?
Grammy put it on and it's really fun.
Show the little wire beading needle. We actually cut it in half because it was really long. But anyway, it's not sharp. It's a lot easier to get the beads started. So she's a fan already. First time she's used it and she's a fan.
I need to cut her hair.
No, you don't need to cut her hair.
They're pretend.
Oh,
All done.
all done.
Wow.
We want to see her necklace.
I think I
Look, these Barbies have the fanciest necklaces, and they're all made right here in-house by Kaya. See the other one. How many is that? 2. Can you make a 2?
No.
You guys doing workbooks? You can do in school? There, that's a good 2, yes.
That's an 8.
That's a 2.
That's a little 8.
It does kind of look like an A, a little A, I agree.
Yeah, but there's a 2. Okay.
All right, how many flowers are there? How many tulips?
Tulips? Where tulips?
These are tulips. You see where we're at?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
7 is easy for me.
Okay, what do we got left? What are these?
Roses.
Rosebuds. Roses.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, can you make
Plus one.
Huh?
Grandma Rose is a rose.
Make it.
What's 5 plus 1?
1 plus 1 is
What? No, 5
plus
plus
one.
1
is 6.
is 6. That's right.
See? Can you hold her hand? There you go. And you hold your dad's hand. Alright, look at me. You ready?
Come on, everybody.
1, 2, 3.
Put it on mommy's belly.
Okay.
And everybody else point.
Okay. Are you ready? Here, scoot down a little bit closer. Get really close.
I see her.
Over and roll that thing down the hill. Go on, go on, go on. Are we making a snowman at the bottom of the hill? Oh, this is ghost weather. Oh, my land. Ghost, are you having fun? Oh, my. That's picking up some snow.
It's so big.
Oh, goodness.
Who has one of the biggest?
Oh my gosh, I thought you were just going to roll it.
I'm trying to get really hot.
You getting hot? I'm gonna break because I'm getting hot too. We're working awful hard.
She can unzip her jacket probably. You want to unzip your jacket, Kai, and let some air in?
These are my new friends.
Let's go sledding.
Oh my! Sody is Tim's shadow even when he's sledding. What's this girl? She's still trying to get up off the ground.
I went up there.
She was halfway up before you were up off the sled. Tim and Kaya are looking for a steeper hill. I think they're nuts. Look at this, what they're contemplating. You guys are nuts. Aim for the big dirt hill. Oh, it's their first time down, so it's not.
So slick.
Oh no. Oh, I thought they got stuck. Everybody else is tired, but she's still going.
Bring the sled. Get the sled.
Bring the sled!
Bring the sled. You forgot the sled.
She says, that's you guys' job. That was the last run. She was the only one who still wanted to go.
Going fast.
All right, we've lived here for 8 years. It's never been frozen this long. We're gonna walk across the pond. Well, hopefully we're gonna walk across the pond, as long as it feels sturdy. It's just at dusk before I go down and take care of the horses. And we're gonna give it a go. You can see the dogs have been out here before us. It's getting dark fast. Seems like a big pond, but it's a lot faster to walk across it than to paddle across it. It feels so solid. If we knew how to ice skate, we could when it was like this.
I only feed the birds during the winter, but I have to tell you, it has changed my winter. It just makes me so happy.